Hello traders, Adam Hansen here for ValoTrader.com, and welcome to the second video in the series tracking the performance of Evestin Forex. Now if you remember from the first video, we gave you a bit of an introduction into Evestin Forex, and it's essentially a portfolio of 4 trading robots. They are Satoshi, Gunner, Faye and Cable, each with their own unique characteristics and unique trading style, different time frames, different pairs associated with them. And we have commenced our 30-day free trial of the trading robots, and so far what we've seen is some fairly decent performance this week. As you can see, it does hold trades. Today is Saturday, so it's holding trades over the weekend, and this account started with $10,000 at the start of the week, so we're up 2.95% for the week, which is highly respectable. And just to show you here, we can see that we've got 3 trades open on Euro-Dollar and also 2 trades on the Dollar-Yen, all using the Satoshi program. So if we just duck across to Evestin's FX Blue, and this is all through their website. You can track these trades through the Evestin website. So we can see here that we have 3 Euro-Dollar trades. This is currently open orders, 3 Euro-Dollar trades and 2 Dollar-Yen trades. If you notice the time, opening time was 8 minutes past 5 in the morning on the 27th of January. If we duck across back to the remote desktop, we can see that corresponds with 8 minutes past 5 on the 27th of the 1st. So that just shows you the beauty of the virtual private server, and just shows you that I am taking the same trades that Evestin is taking themselves. So if we just head across, we'll have a look at some of the performance stats for Evestin. Not just since I've been trading it, but since this FX Blue account was started. So we've got 351 days worth of trading history, and if we have a look here, we had a starting balance of $50,000. If you can see that, and we have a current balance of $80,781. The only thing I can't see from this is whether or not this is a real or demo account. So I'll have to contact Evo about that and just make sure one way or another what we're looking at here. Now we can see here that it's got these two areas. This is a chart representing balance. So starting balance 50,000. We've got an area here of subtle drawdown and also one very small one there, but this one here represents around 4.5% absolute drawdown, which is nothing too serious, and we've got a peak or a maximal drawdown of 17.6%, which would be this move here down to around here, and that took place over a period of 16th of August to the 8th of May. So that maximal drawdown period was around 3 months, but since then it's gone from around the starting balance of $50,000 all the way up around $80,500. So total return of 41.7% and an average trade win percentage of 58.8%, which is more than enough to be profitable. So if we have a look at the analysis of all the pairs that it trades, so we can see here that these are the pairs that it trades, and these are the trades that it has made over the test period. Now I'm not going to go through all of these stats, but I will just bring a few of the main ones to your attention now. Profit factor, if you remember, profit factor is essentially just the gross profit expressed as a ratio of the gross loss, and I think the overall profit factor for this was 1.4. So the gross profit expressed as a ratio of the gross loss, and you can get that by simply dividing the gross profit by the gross loss, and obviously the higher the result, the better it is. So the ones I want to pay more attention to are just the ones that it trades the most, because that's we'll obviously have more information to base the results on. So we've got the Aussie dollar, gross profit of 11,502 with a gross loss of 5,749, leaving us with a net profit of 5,753. So profit factor of 2, which is very, very respectable. And if we scroll across, we'll see that we have a winning percentage of 58%. And another thing to note is our average win and average loss. So in this case, with the Aussie dollar, our average win exceeds our average loss, which is definitely what we're after. So if we have a look at some others here, the euro dollar has 57 trades and has let's say a net loss of $1,193 and a profit factor of 0.92. We scroll across, we'll see that we have a winning percentage of 56 and our average loss exceeds our average win. We have a look at some of the others. What else do we have here? We have the pound dollar with 54 trades, carrying a floating profit there, or not a floating profit, but a net profit of $2,487 and a profit factor of 2.4, which is excellent. Winning percentage of 57, and if we have a look at our average win and average loss, 57, and our average win exceeds our average loss considerably there as well. Quickly, some of these others. We got dollar yen, 25 trades with a net profit of 550, profit factor of 1.11, and a winning percentage of 48%. And once again, our average win exceeds the size of our average loss. Some of these other ones, I mean, we've got one here, Euro NZ. I mean, it's only traded once and it's had one loss, so it appears much worse than what it actually is. If we scroll across, yeah, obviously we have no average win there, but an average loss of 1468. Some of the other ones that have performed really well, what have we got? We've got the Euro Yen, traded 10 times and carrying a net profit of nearly $5,000, with a profit factor of just under 4 there, which is excellent. And it's got a winning percentage of 90. And we'll have a look at our average win, average loss. Okay, so our average win is less than half of our average loss, but that is brought up considerably by the fact that it has a 90% win ratio. A couple of the others, pound CAD, okay, carrying a net loss of 2,793, profit factor of 0.62. If we scroll across, we'll see a winning percentage of 47, and our average loss exceeds our average win by about 1.5 times there. So, I mean, you guys can go through these. This will be on, once again, it's on Evestin's website. It'll also be on valotrader.com as well, so that it will constantly update and you'll be able to keep track of how it's performing. And also, I will be uploading the statements related to how my account is performing as well. There's just a bit of a process involved in getting those off of the remote desktop. It's not quite as simple as if I was trading my own MT4 account with it. So because I'm running through the remote desktop, there is a bit of a process, but I will have those statements loaded up in the review for you guys to have a look at. So that's pretty much all I wanted to go through in this video. I mean, we finished the week once again. We've got some trades open and we've got a profit for the week of 2.95%. So highly respectable, and we'll continue to test this on our demo account. And if it continues to perform well, we'll look to transfer it onto our live account and bring you those results as well. So very exciting times ahead. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. There's also a website, valotrader.com. So until the next video, guys, take care and bye for now.